It's work great. 4. ROWPOZ Wireless Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner, 12,000 PA, Strong Suction Handheld Vacuum Cordless, 3-in-1 Keyboard Vacuum Cleaner, Car Vacuum, Cordless Portable Mini Vacuum. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Wireless Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. Are you looking for a wireless handheld car vacuum cleaner that can help you keep your car clean and tidy? The 2023 new portable vehicle vacuum was designed to do just that. Get rid of all the dirt and dust you couldn't reach before. Clean like a pro. Handheld Vacuum Cordless. Compact design, lightweight and handheld, but strong suction and blowing dust buster. Output power 120 watt super power motor provides strong suction up to 9,000, 12,000 PA, wet, dry vacuum, lightweight only 290 grams. Washable and HEPA filter. High density filter, 99% interception rate, breathable and dust proof, can be washed repeatedly. Take the filter out of the dust cup of the cordless handheld vacuum, wash it with water and dry it for the second time. The filter is safe to be soaked and washed. Powerful air duster and mini vacuum. USB rechargeable, built-in 4000 mAh batteries, motor speed up to 35,500 RPM, fast charging technology, 2-hour quick fully charge. It can give you about 60 minutes of continuous working time, which is enough to cope with most areas of your house, office, and car. Multifunctional vacuum cleaner. Car vacuum cleaner can be used as a computer cleaner, blower, laptop cleaner, desk vacuum cleaner, hand vacuum for car, piano, pet house, office desk cleaning and more. Can be used as an inflatable pump to inflate the swimming ring, also can as dust buster, can be used as a vacuum pump for clothes, mattress, blanket, pillows. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.